I'm going to teach you 10 ChatGPT hacks that nobody has ever taught you before. And these hacks are going to help to make life easier for you and also make you ahead of your colleagues or co-workers or ahead of everybody around you. Let's dive in. Number one is YouTube video description. You can use ChatGPT to write video description. Anytime you create a video on Anytime you create a video for YouTube, instead of always thinking about how you can create the description, simply use ChatGPT. Come to ChatGPT and type this. This is the prompt I'm giving ChatGPT to write a video description for me, and let's see what it's going to give us. In less than 10 seconds, ChatGPT gave me the description for my YouTube video. Can you see this? You can use ChatGPT to write your YouTube video description. The next one is prompt generation. You can use ChatGPT to generate a prompt. That is, prompt for your image creation. For example, I have a picture that I want to recreate, but I don't know the prompt I'll use. I'm going to upload the image to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give me the prompt for this image. I have uploaded my prompt. I'm going to go ahead to tell ChatGPT to give me the prompt for this image. This is what I wrote. Describe this image in a prompt. I'm going to send this ChatGPT. You can see I just gave ChatGPT this image to give me the prompt for this image, and ChatGPT gave me the prompt. I can copy this prompt and use it to create my own AI image. This is the fastest way to create any image that you don't know how to get the prompt using ChatGPT. In case you don't know how to use AI to generate this kind of images, watch my previous video to see the tutorial on how to use AI to create images. ChatGPT can help you to summarize a document, summarize a note, summarize anything you want to summarize. Let's dive in. I'm going to click on this plus sign to upload a PDF document. I have uploaded my PDF document and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to summarize these documents. You can actually summarize it into 6 paragraphs, 2 pages. It depends on what you want. You can even tell it to summarize it into 2 sentences. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to simply summarize this document using easy to understand words. This is perfect. Just within few seconds, ChatGPT has summarized this document, this PDF document here, into this simple content. You can see how ChatGPT is very useful in summarizing things. This is what ChatGPT gave me. You can also ask it to make it to be in just one simple paragraph. Let's see what it will give us. This is mind-blowing. Just within few seconds, ChatGPT has summarized this PDF document I gave it to just one simple paragraph. Wow. The next thing you can do with ChatGPT is content ideas. Oftentimes people complain they have no idea or they lack content ideas. With ChatGPT, you will have unlimited content ideas to create. Let me give it a prompt. I'm going to tell ChatGPT, I am an upcoming YouTuber that creates content on weight loss. Give me 20 YouTube trending topics in this niche. I'm going to give this to ChatGPT to give me the content ideas for this. Ooh la la! Just within few seconds, ChatGPT gave me 20 topics for content creation, for YouTube content creation. Another thing ChatGPT can do for you is that ChatGPT can tell you about a website or anything or video using a link. You can tell ChatGPT to tell you what this website is all about by just dropping your link for them. Let us, for instance, I'm going to give ChatGPT a link to a website and I'm going to tell ChatGPT to tell me what this website does. And ChatGPT is going to describe it for me. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT, I'm going to tell ChatGPT, tell me briefly about this website using this link. I've dropped the link. So if there is any website that you don't actually get what they do, or you want to write about or you want to write about something and you don't understand it, just copy the link, give it to ChatGPT, and Chat is going to tell you what that thing is all about. As you can see, I gave ChatGPT the link to Google Gemini, and Chat says, I just said, tell me briefly about this website using this link. And this is what Chat gave me. Chat said, that link redirects to Google Gemini, a Google service. Can you see that? Let us also try another website. Let me copy the link of another website. I'm going to I'm going to give ChatGPT a link to another website and ask it to tell me the services this website or this company offers. I pasted the link to the company's website and ChatGPT gave me this, and these things here are accurate, very very accurate. ChatGPT can do a lot for you. If you're a student and there is any website you are, let me say, if there's anything you don't understand, like a website that you don't understand, just copy the link, give it ChatGPT, and tell ChatGPT to tell you what this site is all about, and you get a response in few minutes. ChatGPT can do a whole lot for you. With ChatGPT, I have been able to live an easier life. ChatGPT can turn a document into a PowerPoint. Yes, a PowerPoint content. It can bring out the points for you in a PowerPoint content and can also turn those points into a document, PowerPoint document. Now, ChatGPT has given us the detailed description of what the website is all about here. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to turn this content into a PowerPoint. Let us see what it's going to give us. Wow, 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 we can see that. I told ChatGPT to turn this content that it wrote here into a PowerPoint, and ChatGPT within few seconds gave me a PDF, sorry, gave me a downloadable document that contains the PowerPoint. Let's click on it to see what it gave us. Today, I hope you have learned that you can use ChatGPT to create PowerPoint within seconds. Just upload your item on ChatGPT and tell it to turn into a PowerPoint. You can describe how you want the PowerPoint to be, the font size, the color, and all that. ChatGPT can also generate images for you. Yes, you heard me. Let me take for instance, you already have a prompt that you want to use. You heard me clearly. I'm going to give it a prompt now to give us an image. But one thing with ChatGPT is that it has limitation. I think you can only generate images either 5 times in a day. Yes. I gave ChatGPT a prompt to generate an image for me. This is my prompt. Like I said earlier, you can only use ChatGPT to generate an image 5 times. I think it's 5 times, either 5 times or 4 times. I stand to be corrected in 24 hours. So ChatGPT has limitation. It's not like Meta AI. If you're looking for how to generate images, unlimited images in a day, use Meta AI. I have already made a video about Meta AI and how to use it to generate images. If you have not watched the video, check the video I posted before this one to watch the video and see how you can create unlimited images using Meta AI. Our picture is almost ready, or our image is almost ready. As you can see, the image is downloading. I can't wait to see what ChatGPT gave us. I actually can't wait. I can't wait to see how it's going to look like. Let us look at the prompts. Generate this image. A photorealistic portrait of a stunning Nigerian woman posing elegantly in a luxurious studio photo shoot. She wears a vibrant red satin ball gown with floral embellishments around the waist and skirt. The fabric flowing gracefully and reflecting soft studio light. The gown has a deep neckline with delicate shoulder details. Her glowing brown skin radiates under warm cinematic. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I forgot something. ChatGPT actually has policy that if your image doesn't follow their policy, the generation will not work. Just like what happened to us just now. But I'm going to give it another image. Let me just give it a simple prompt. I just changed the prompts. I just wrote generate a realistic image of an African woman. I don't want to give ChatGPT something complex. So I just want to do this video as fast as possible so that it's not be too long. As you can see this thing here, see what is rotating here, the image is generating. Yeah, and I think it's almost ready. Oh, it says curation might take a moment. This is one issue I have with ChatGPT. ChatGPT wastes lots of time when trying to create images. This say that you can use other, if you're in simply use other AI tools. There are other AI tools that you can generate as many images as possible for free, and I've made a video about how to use Meta AI to achieve this. Just watch the last video I posted before this one to see how you can use Meta AI to generate many images as you want. Another thing ChatGPT can do for you is that ChatGPT can help you to design a book cover. Can you see this? Our image is ready. See the beautiful image that ChatGPT gave me. I said generate a realistic image of an African woman. ChatGPT actually gave me a beautiful image of an African woman. This is amazing. Just tell me in the comment section if you're going to be trying out this feature on ChatGPT, and let me know when you try it out, okay? ChatGPT can also help you to plan exercise plan. For someone that wants to lose weight, with the help of ChatGPT, it can guide and direct you and plan how your workout is going to be. For instance, now, let me give ChatGPT a prompt. I think I will just refer to ChatGPT as a chat doc because you can tell ChatGPT about your health and it's going to give you advice on what to do. Okay, let me say this. Let me say this. It can be your coach. Okay, let's take that ChatGPT can be your coach or weight loss coach. What do you guys suggest? Should we refer to it as chat doc or doc chat or weight loss coach or just coach? You can see what ChatGPT gave us. This is amazing. This is mind blowing. It actually brought out daily routine. See daily routine. This is beautiful. It also asks, would you like me to create a 3-month structured weight loss plan with weekly nutrition and workout focus? customized to your lifestyle, home workouts only, or gym workouts. So ChatGPT can basically make life very, very easy for you. Just tell me why you have not been using ChatGPT for your daily routines, because I use this app a lot. Yes, I use ChatGPT a lot. It helps me a lot. I gave Chat this prompt: design a book cover I created for teenagers. The title is If I Had Known. So let's watch and see what ChatGPT is going to give us. Wow, this is beautiful. Can you see our book cover? If I had known. Like I said it's for teenagers, and this actually looks beautiful for teenagers. You can choose to tell it to edit it, tell it how you want it to be. I just gave it a very simple prompt because I don't want to waste time on this. So this is what ChatGPT can do for you. These ChatGPT hacks, how many of them have you heard of before? Or how many of them are you aware of? Let me know at the comment section. The last but not the least is ChatGPT can teach you, your personal teacher. You heard me right. ChatGPT can teach you. Let me give it a prompt to see, for you to see. I gave ChatGPT this prompt. Assume to be a YouTube coach. I am a new content creator. Teach me how to grow faster on YouTube. This is beautiful. Let us watch what ChatGPT, or let us read what ChatGPT gave us. First of all, ChatGPT said, find your niche and target audience. Wonderful. Second point says, create clickable content. Beautiful. Third one says, master the first 30 seconds. Amazing. Fourth says, post consistently and smartly. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? And so many other points. At this point, I've come to an end of the this is the end of my tutorial on 10 mind-blowing tricks you can use, or you can do, or ChatGPT can help you to do. There are still many, many more. There are thousands or a lot of it. If you found this video useful, let me know at the comment section, and I will drop more hacks that you can do using ChatGPT. Please like this video, comment, subscribe, and please share my video. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. I love you.